Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, August 13, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 8.5 points to 28.71 and a quarter per contract. All in all, you can see the futures are basically right off the lows of the day. But the theme is that we sold off yesterday. We have a potential inversion between the 2-year and the 10-year Treasury note, and we'll see how that plays out. Right now, I think we have about 4 basis points separating the two, and that's probably going to be the big story. China continues to set and support their currency, just a hair above 7, so that's also going to be important. But in the meantime, we have stocks in the news, so let's get started here with Advanced Auto Parts. AAP is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now trading at $131.29. It closed at $142.16. So this is a pretty good haircut. I'm going to try to have gap levels ready to go for this once the opening bell rings. So right off the bat, we got a pretty good gap down on Advanced Auto Parts. That will be in play this morning. So again, keep it on the radar. We'll see where it goes, and I'll have some levels for you just shortly posted up in the intraday stock chat room. Next stock we're going to look at today is going to be a Chinese ADR, JD.com. That stock's catching a nice bid. It closed at $27.16, now trading at $29.02. This actually can still go higher. We'll just see what it does once the opening bell rings. If by some chance, and this is a long shot, it got up to around $34.25, $34.50, it would be a fade candidate. It still could fade before that, but nonetheless, that is the level that I am watching. Next up, I want to take a look at Brinker. Ticker symbol is EAT. This is the parent of Chili's and other restaurants. Stock right now is trading at $41.75. Closed at $39.86. So again, decent little uptick there. I think you have a lot of resistance in play all the way up to $42. So if you take a look at the daily chart, you'll see this red bar right here. This is a pivot where this thing broke down. That's kind of where you're going into. So there should be a lot of resistance all the way through here. And again, that's going to be tough to get through. Right now, the stock is trading right in that $42 zone. So again, a lot of resistance in play for Brinker, at least at the moment. Let's take a look at AKAM, AKAM, Akamai Technologies. Right now trading at $87.47. Looks like they did a $1 billion convertible securities offering. They're going to do some buybacks with that money, but the market don't seem to care. Stock closed at $89.21, now trading at $87.47. So you got a good little haircut there. Nothing I would do with this stock right now. I have some levels lower, though, that I would get interested in. But right now, I'd leave it alone for the most part. We'll see what it does once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at TME, which is 10-cent music. This is trading at $13.70. Closed last night at $14.45. The only level that gets me interested in this name is probably around $12.25, maybe $12.30. Until then, I really wouldn't do much with it. But we'll see if it does get down to those levels. I think that gets attractive. Next up, we want to take a look at some home builders here. They were all upgraded today. DHR, which is DR Horton. Looks like that's trading at $47.10. Closed at $46.99. That's not that big of a move. KB Homes also upgraded today. KBH is the ticker symbol there. This closed at $26.32. Still at $26.32 in the pre-market. No activity there. And then we have Pulte Home upgraded as well. PHM. That is trading at $31.47. Closed at $31.71. So we'll keep an eye on all the home builders today. They seem to have gotten upgraded basically on the back of lower bond yields. But lower yields are not necessarily all that good if you get inversions going on between the 2 and the 10, and that could be happening. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures are soaring again today, up another $15 to $1,532.70 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, that's trading at 143.53. Again, lower bond yields on the 10-year usually will lift gold, and that's what we're seeing this morning. If you take a look at gold miners, they're up as well today. Yesterday, GDX closed at 29, now trading at $29.37. So we'll be watching gold today. Looking over at crude oil, that is down 43 cents to $54.50 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude oil. You'll see that's trading at 11.31. So again, we'll be watching this pretty closely. We'll see what this market tells us. And right now you have the futures down 7.25 points. If you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a sensational 2019. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. Yesterday morning, we had some other winning trades as well. So if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We get some volatility out here. We get lots of action, and we still got a lot of earnings yet to come out. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.